In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most compassionate. So, how are you guys? I hope you are feeling well and you have to no problem in my previous lectures. So now today I want to teach in my first topic about my Mac. So let's start. Let's the beginning. It means to construct or to build, but whenever it is used a constitutive verb, I mean to force. It is also used in a build or whenever we use a constructive verb. In also we have to teach and we didn't know about of the structure. You already noted about like that things. I mean in a force. Whenever the subject has an object by forcing him or her to do something for his or her sake, we must use make as a causative verb. It is used with a pure infinitive. Whenever the subject has have to forcing for something or here to sickness, but must have to make in a positive word because it is a beer and it is used within a beer infinitive. For example, you have to listen my examples. She made her brother cook rice. Okay, she made her brother cook rice. It means she forced her brother. In this sentence, she forced and his brother and to cook rice for her. Number first, get. It's mean to obtain or to achieve, but whenever it is used a causative verb, I mean to encourage or pursue. Whenever the subject casts the object by encouraging him or her to do something for his or her sake, we must use get a causative verb. We must use get a causative verb. It is used with full infinitive to plus verb. In for examples, she got her brother to cook rice. She got her brother to cook rice. It means she encouraged her brother to cook rice for her. What it means she encouraged her brother to cook rice for her. I hope you are understand easily. Now number third half. It's mean to contain or to own, but whenever it is used as a causative verbs, it's meant to choose or hear. Whenever when- whenever the subject casts the object by choosing or hearing him or her to do something for his her sake, we must use have in a positive verb. It is used with a bare infinitive. What? It is used in a bare infinitive for in examples. She had her brother cook rice. She had her brother cook rice. It means she had her brother to cook rice for her. The sentence was in the first sentence, but they give to meaning and the in negatives. Not negative, but the Things was not yet but gift of another things. Like it look at the it's meant she heard her brother to cook rice for her. Number four, help. It means to assess or support both a positive verbs and a simple verbs. What in a simple verb? Whenever the subject guesses the object by assisting him or her to do something for his or her sake, we must use help a causative verb. What they already have noted, we can be to use in a causative verbs for in our helps. Whenever the subject gets an object in assisting, we must be to in this case we have to use. It is used with a both full infinitive and bare infinitive. What she helped her brother to cook rice. She helped her brother to cook rice. It means she assisted her brother to cook rice for her. But look at the example. She helped her brother to cook rice. It means she assisted her brother to cook rice for her. What they already have a must be full and a bare infinitive. It is used with full infinitive or bare infinitive. Like look at the examples. She helped her brother and to cook rice. It is always true. Remember, you have to read into a text there. Number five, it means to permit or allow both accusative verbs in a simple verb. It's mean like to permit or allow both accusative verbs in a simple verb. Whenever the subject casts the object by permitting him or her to do something for his or her sake, we must use let accusative verb. We must be use a causative verb. It is used with a bare infinitive. It is used with a bare infinitive. Look at the examples. She let her brother cook rice. She let her brother cook rice. It means she permitted her brother to cook rice for her. It means she permitted her brother to cook rice for her. Now, phrasals. Phrasals verb it's a kind of verb. It is a kind of verb that the action verb is now which verb is connected with another element like prepositions or adverb and give spatially a dominatic meaning is called phrasal verbs. We use phrasal verbs when we want to give a specially meaning through using two word verbs. Like look at the structure you have to and make an example easily. It is the help of in your language or grammatical structure. It's maybe to help, and I have to already have to give some structure. Verb plus preposition plus adverb and phrasal verbs. Noted in a phrasal verb, we always use more than one word, but both words are phrasal verbs in a function of single verbs. Not a singular, but a singles. This is mean of the reductions. In a phrasal verbs, they have always in a special I dominating. Look at you have to make it, therefore it is needed to more. It's needed more attentions and hard work to memorize or learn the actual or literary meaning of every phrasal verbs. Examples: if you want to learn, you have to must be learn this previous lectures. Like take like phrasal verbs in examples: take aside, get someone along and to talk to, take off, remove, throw down, to refuse, put off, delay, passed on, show off, to act or getly, take off, to start flying, fill in, to write in the blanks, fill out, to mark, fill out, to mark, look for, search, etc. Like look, take off, remove. Adnan, I'm going to share an example because I want to just make it a short because you are easily understand. What if you look to my screen and you have to easily understand? Like take off, remove. Adnan took off his dry t-shirt. It means Adnan removed his dry t-shirt and threw down, refuse. Is refuse. She turned down my offer. She turned down my offer. It means she refused my offer. She turned down my offer. It means she refused my offer. What? She refused my offer. Put off, Delhi, Delhi, and postpone. The director put off the meeting. The director put off the meeting. It means the director delayed the meeting. What? It's mean the director delayed the meeting. Look for and search. She is looking for her kind. It means she is searching her kinds. You have to easily understand because you want to search it, you want to research, you want to make it for in your own orders. In phrasal verbs are further divided into more subtypes. Phrasal verbs are further divided into more subtypes. Number first, separable phrasal verbs. Separable phrasal verbs. In separable phrasal verbs, what they have to divide it into more subtypes, but more is an important. There are three folds in importance. One, two. Separable phrase verbs is inseparable phrase verbs. Look at separable phrase verb. It's a kind of phrasal verb in which we can bring a separation between verb and preposition of adverb. It's a kind of phrasal verbs in which we bring a separation between verb and preposition of our adverb. We can separate both verb and preposition adverb by putting a noun or pronoun inside it.